again. This is Dr. Mafi, a PhD in Applied Linguistics. Today's subject is about conjunctive adverbs. If you know, we recorded another video under the category of connectives. There, I explained different kinds of connectives, such as conjunctions, whether they are coordinating or subordinate conjunctions. I also explained about conjunctive, let's say adverbs in that video, but very much in brief. Of course, I didn't specifically focus on the conjunctive adverbs there on that video because we talked about its more umbrella term or broader term, which was connectives. We also talked about discourse markers as well as transitional signals. Today, I'm going to explore more about the conjunctive adverbs. What are they? They are adverbs, first of all right? They connect two independent clauses, not one dependent and another independent, such as, for example, subordination, all right? It's like coordinating conjunctions, actually. It functions like that. And it connects two clauses or sentences. Also, they show relationship between them, all right? So they function like, first of all, connectors. They show us contrast, addition, some of them cause and effect, some of them sequence, some of them comparison, and so on and so forth, as you can see here. Addition, contrast, cause and effect, result, reason, time sequence, and emphasis. All of these are examples of conjunctive adverbs. All right. Now, a tip or a point about its punctuation. Let's see how we write it, or what kind of model style or writing style we follow. All right. They are usually preceded by a semicolon and followed by a comma, as you can see in these, or in the first two examples here I gave. All right. In this package of 4 examples, the first 2 follows that model, which is normally the standard punctuation format, okay? So you have the first clause and then the second clause. They are connected by conjunctive adverbs. And the conjunctive adverbs are preceded by a semicolon, and they are followed by a comma, okay? Like this, she was tired, semicolon, nevertheless, comma, she finished her work. Of course, we don't read it like this, right? I'm just trying to teach you what kind of writing style we normally follow, okay? What model do the writers, what model of style do the writers follow? Like she was tired, nevertheless, she finished her work. It means that despite the fact that she was tired, she finished her work, okay? So the project, the second example, the project faced delays. Therefore, we extended the deadline. But look at the conjunctive adverb here, therefore. It means thus, it means so, all right? It is preceded by a semicolon again, and followed by a comma, as you can see, okay? But the last 2 examples, look, we can consider conjunctive adverbs as a separate, or they can function as a starting point of the second clause. Actually, second sentence, right? So they are not normally treated as one single sentence. There are 2 sentences, but they are very much connected. That's why we use the conjunctive adverbs. We try to connect ideas, right, through even if 2 different sentences. Like, he did not study. As you can see, there is a period here. And as is written with a capital initial, as you can see. It starts a new sentence. As a result, comma, he failed the exam. All right? Or the second example, the weather was bad. However, the event continued as planned. You see? A little bit or slightly different from the use of the, or the function of or the punctuation format of the conjunctive adverbs, as you can see above in the first 2 examples. As a last point, let me give you a tip. Well, sometimes we use another method, another format of punctuation, all right, as far as the conjunctive adverbs are concerned. We use it in the second example, in the second sentence, all right? I didn't bring the first sentence here in my example. Whenever we do that, right, it comes in the middle, right? The conjunctive adverb comes in the middle of the second sentence, but they are preceded and followed by a comma, not a semicolon and a comma. The plan, comma, however, comma, was not approved, okay? So this is another, or the third punctuation writing model, okay? Thank you very much for watching again, and don't hesitate to give us your comments, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, as well as like and subscribe.